The Elf Factory. There's a plan today, Nanny. You're visiting the Elf Factory. What? Every winter you have to visit the Elf Factory and make sure the toys are good. Oh, but the toys are always perfect. But who had to go? That sounds fun. But it's not fun, honey. The toys are always perfect, and I say they're perfect. I don't want to go. Well, someone has to go now. Can I go? I can check the toy, of course. And Nanny can go with you to make sure we're okay. They're brilliant. Hi, honey. Hi, Ben. We want to see the Elf Factory. Where? I know it. Elves are good. So where is it? This way. He said it's fun. This is the Elf Factory. Hello, can I help you? We visit the Elf Factory. Honey in charge. Okay, just put your name and job. Okay. My name is Honey, and my job is being a pretty fairy princess. Okay, and you have to wear these hats. Ooh! Do you have one? Yes, we're fairy. Oh, how you know? We don't need one. We have elves. Oh, sorry. Here. Now, the Elf Factory is very busy. We have a big toy order for Father Christmas. Ooh! Is this Father Christmas? Oh, I don't think so. Ho, ho, ho! Oh, Mr. Christmas. Hello, can I speak to the wise old elf, please? Okay. Wise old elf, please record the dejection immediately. Hello, Princess Honey. Hello, wise old elf. It's Father Christmas. Oh, let me hide. Hello, ho, ho, ho. Hello, wise old elf. I want a big toy order today. Okay, Father Christmas, we'll have you in a minute. Okay, the children will have the toys. We have the toy doll red dress. Can I hold it? Of course. Now, that is the Elf Factory where we make toys. Yes. This way, we take the train. Ooh! On board! Next stop, the Elf Factory. First, the computer room. Hold tight, everyone. Whee! This way. That was fun. Oh, it made my tummy all funny. Good, isn't it? And it's much better next time. What do you mean, next time? You'll see. This is the computer room where we decide what the toy will like. Yes, that's no fun. Oh, very fun. But also very complicated and difficult. We must be very patient. Wow, that's not a hard job for me. Yes. For example, if I turn this dress to blue, but that's a dress. Yes. Now, if I turn it to blue, the Elf Factory will make the doll dress blue. New dress. The Elf Factory will know. And Father Christmas knows it too. But Father Christmas wants a dress. Oh yes, but We're just an example. Next stop, the elf factory. Oh, we don't have to go down anyway. Yes, Nanny. Very deep underground. How deep? Very deep. Oh, all aboard. We are not have to go down anyway. Yes. Level 99, the elf factory. Hold tight. Wow! Oh no! This is fun! Level 99, the elf factory. And the Knoop machine. The what? The Knoop machine. Here, you can ask any question, Princess Honey. Okay, hello. And what do you do? I'm positive. All day? Yes, all day. You must be very patient. Elves are very patient, and I'm an elf. Thank you. To the next one. The make toy. Hello. And what did you do? I pressed the button. You must be very patient. Yes. So, if you were bored, no, I'll never get bored. We are elves. What next? Next is the paint room. Here we paint the dress. Wow, that looks great. Hello, Princess Honey. Every elf one job. First paint the eyes, and one paint the mouth, and one paint the hair. Wow, I think it's ordered by machine. No, it had to be by paint. Elves like hard work, and we're elves. And thank goodness I'm a fairy. Shush, Nanny. One paint the dress. I go through the dryer. And then make one toy. Here we go. One toy to deliver. But Father Christmas wanted dress red. Oh yes. But we just make one of them. Not to worry. But they made note of it. She's right. Not to pose it and paint it again. But there's not enough time. I can fix it with magic. No, magic not allowed in the elf factory. So I'll ring Father Christmas and tell him what happened. He'll understand. I'm sure he'll know it. No. Maybe Nanny Pram can do a bit of magic. Just this once. Okay? Okay then, where's my wand? Chop chop. Ah, thank goodness you're here, wand. No to red. Hooray! Oh, thank you. It took nothing, really. A chair for Nanny, please. What you want? I have to paint it. 994 tall. Oh, new to red. New to red. New to red. Gosh, Nanny, you must be very patient. Yes. Now we'll make ones for you. An elf. I'm an elf. The end.